taco eating contest. That's number 1, Erin Marie from Nashville, Tennessee.
So you're gonna have to come over here in the shade or whatever. But if somebody's hungry, Old School restaurant donated at the first tattoo needle. Abraham Lincoln though. But it's close.
Delicious rally food that you can get anywhere, right here. You can go to the eatery, you can go to the Stage West Cafe, all this great food here. We got the feel that heat! If you can shoot that fireball, if you can shoot that out of you know what, I'd be your best friend.
I would go to the doctor if that was your case. Go to the doctor.
For real.
All right, y'all, we are moments away from the
because of South Dakota, because of music, unity, and love, and that's what it's all about during the rally, Chris.
Number 6, this is Missy Ann, and she is from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. She is self-employed. She said no one can boss me around outside the bedroom.
Too loud, too late. Lose, I make you wait.
Count at 3 again. 1, 2, 3.
reminder, ladies, if you want to be in the homemade bikini contest every single day, t-shirt contest, whipped cream twister. We also do pickle licking intercept. So much fun, bizarre bullshit happens here at Bikini Beach every single day.
Like in one of those afterwards, I think I told you, where we were standing, like on the other side of the stage, we kept on going around her.
All right, the limousine doors are closing. Here we go, folks. Make some noise. Everywhere else, it's just a normal, boring-ass Wednesday. But when you come to the Buffalo Chip, you get some shit you ain't never seen before, y'all. It's really happening. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Can we make sure they're okay down there? Everything good? I think they're good.
Ladies and gentlemen, you got pulse. You can feel that bead of sweat rolling down your ass. You're alive. Act like it. What do you think?
I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. Everyone else is having a normal ass plain Jane Wednesday, but nobody here is basic. Everybody here.
beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Her occupation, she said she's your next sugar baby. And her height is all legs. Her measurements are a little more than a mouthful. She's a blonde bombshell and her eye color is as dark as her soul. That's number 7 from South Dakota. That is Raven.
See that cloud right there? He's actually a race truck. That was a story. I was standing up here watching. I did not want to interrupt those things up there. All right. Go down there and kick off some music. I'm done with all the BS for right now. I'm done talking.
I wonder if they walk down further.
Do I need some more here? There's some guys back there. I saw them walk in. They're in their dressing rooms right now. And they're kind of standing backstage right now, okay? They're just kind of getting loose to see them play. And also, you know who the headliner is, but these guys right here can't wait to hit this stage and do what they do for you. I know. That's what they do. They're going to play the real deal damn good for you. So, if you're ready, Worship. Jack Rush. Somebody make some noise! Turn it up! I want them to hear back there, everybody. Fly up them motorcycles. Kill them out. Give them around right now. Turn it up. Turn it up. Make it go. Make it go. Jack Rush in the house. Make it go. Jack Rush in the house. Make it go. Come on. Oh my God, there are people out here. Hey, yeah! Hell yeah! Enjoy the show, everyone. Enjoy the show.
She mixes drinks and breaks hearts, and she's 5'10" of pure blonde bombshell energy. Her measurements are sexy, slender, and always the longest legs in the room. She's got golden honey blonde hair and crystal blue eyes. And something special about herself, she won the National Jiu-Jitsu tournament, so she can handle heels, a bikini, and anyone who gets in her way. That's number 2. From Fort Myers, Florida, that's Alex.
It's all